Hello and welcome to CloudFox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Atara. In previous video, I explained you about SNS SQS integration use case. In this video, we want to understand SNS SQS integration practically. Now, one of the biggest advantage of performing lab of this integration is it will give you better understanding about SQS access policy. So this practical is really interesting. Let's start. Here, to perform this lab, we will set up one SNS topic and one SQS queue. Now, SNS is actually sending message to SQS queue. So SQS queue will become subscriber of SNS topic. Now, in this particular lab, we are going to set up SNS and SQS queue for sure, but we will not set up publisher or consumer because to test this entire process, we will use SNS SQS built-in facility. Okay. Now what I am doing, I'm going to start with the SNS topic. So this is my AWS SNS console. Here I am going to the topics and I'm going to create one topic. I want to create standard topic and let's give name. Now do not configure any options from here. Just go with the default and create topic. So my topic is ready. Next, I have to set up SQS queue. So this is SQS queue console and I'm going to the queue and click on create queue. Again, we will set up standard queue and I'm giving name. We do not want to change any settings. So we are going with the default and let's click on create queue. Now, this queue will become subscriber of SNS. So to do that, simple process we have. You can go to the topic. Here we have this topic. Then click on create subscription. Here choose SQS and from here choose test queue, right? And create subscription. Process is now ready. But here the problem is if I will test this right now, definitely SQS will send this message to its subscriber, but the problem is SQS will not receive this. Why? Because in the SQS, we have access policy. Now, access policy will not allow this message, right? So, if you want SQS to receive this message, in the SQS access policy, you have to allow messages from this SNS topic, right? So you have to edit SQS access policy. How? Go to the SQS and here you will find out this policy, right? Access policy. By default, it is allowing only root user. We want to allow SNS topic as well. So here I have this policy format. Now I just downloaded this policy format from AWS documents, okay? Or you can also write through the ChatGPT. Don't worry about, how to write this JSON document. Just understand that why we are writing this document, okay? And the simple process is policy is preventing and we want to allow SNS topic. Now, okay. Now here you have to make some changes and this is the first, your root user ARN. Now, look, this is the root user ARN we have, okay? So I'm going to copy this and here I'm going to remove this and paste this. Keep extra care while you are editing this because this is JSON and here if you make indentation error then it will be problematic, okay? So keep this in your mind. Now we have your SQS queue ARN. Here we have this SQS ARN as well. So I'm going to copy this, Control C and here I'm going to paste this. Here we have same. So let me paste this here as well. Now I have to copy SNS topic ARN. So I'm going to the SNS. Here I have my topic. This is ARN. Copy this and paste this. Done. Now, copy entire policy, go to the access policy, click on edit here, remove existing one and paste this and save. Now integration is done and even we allowed SNS topic from the access policy. Now we want to test this. How we can do this? You can go to the SNS.
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfolkshub.com. For any help, call 982-575-7737. All course details are provided in the description.